In this video, we demonstrate the newly upgraded BMW 4D8 a programming repair function. This function is designed to resolve issues caused by improper pre-processing or incorrect key programming operations, which may lead to engine no-start conditions and instrument cluster malfunctions. This is a 2016 BMW R1200 motorcycle. Tools required: MotoMaster MO40 dedicated diagnostic cable, main cable, stabilized power supply. The diagnostic port is located on the right side of the vehicle. Use the MO40 cable, the main cable, to connect the device to the motorcycle. To ensure sufficient battery voltage, an external power supply is required. Tap MO. Select BMW. Choose Manual Select System. Select Proximity. Tap it 8A. Tap Guide to view operation instructions. Before performing the programming repair function, we must first back up the coding data. Go to the coding operation. Select Backup Coding. Follow the device prompts. Turn the ignition on once. Tap OK. Tap OK again to save. After the backup is completed, return to the previous menu. Now operate the program repair function. The device will prompt, "Please make sure you have backed up the coding." Since we have already completed the backup, tap Yes. A reminder will appear to alert you to ensure the battery voltage is adequate. After reviewing the reminder, tap Yes. Turn the ignition on. Repair successful. Next, we need to restore the coding. Select the previously backed up file. Tap OK. Keep the ignition on, then tap OK again. The coding data has now been successfully restored. Thanks for watching.